Assalamu alaikum and good morning viewers, and the today lecture we will learn about the drugs and the substance abuse. The drugs is a chemical substance except of the nutrients which is create the biological and the physiological changes inside the human body. It is effects on the mood and the behavior and the attitudes and the mental cognitions of the any person. The drugs which is used for the treatment of any disease, for the diagnostic, for the promotion or for the rehabilitation purpose, that drugs is count is a medicine, and the medicine is always prescribed by the licensed healthcare provider, as a maybe doctor, consultant, or the any homeopathic doctors. Some are the illegitimate or illegal drugs which is used by the people in the all over the world, and these illegitimate or illegal drugs are putting the burden of the diseases in the human populations. And these some of the example of these drugs, these illegal drugs, are the cocaine, opiates, cannabis, and the amphetamine drugs, and some are the hypnotic drugs, and some of the drugs which is used for the as a pain reliever in the post-operative treatment. It is also used as a substance abuse. According to the United Nations Office of the Drugs and the Crime Control, in 2022 reports that in all over the world around the 300 million people are the drug users. So, and among of the 300 million of the people which are the drug users, the cannabis is the first in the ranking in the use, or in the use of the frequency, or in use of the amount. But for in the last 1 decade, the amphetamine drugs is increasing in the higher rate among the adolescent people, which is mostly used in the nightclubs, in the disco or in the nightclubs. So, among of these 300 million people which are the drug user, 11 million, or around the 11 million people, 11.2 million pupils are the intravenous drug users. Means the people which are use the drugs by in the injection form inside their body. So among these 11.2 million pupils of the IUDs, 50% of these people IUDs are the hepatitis C positive. This is a very huge number. And 1.4 millions among of the 11.2 million of the IUDs are the HIV positive, and 1.2 million IUDs have the both hepatitis C and HIV positive. So these IUDs is a key risk factor for the pandemic and endemic of the HIV and hepatitis B and C. So in the Pakistan, if you see, the Pakistan is on the high burden of the drug users. Around 7 million pupils are the drug users in the Pakistan. The prevalence of the drug user in the Pakistan are the around 6% in the population, in which 9% are the adult population of the male, and 2.9% are the adult female population are addicted of these different type of the drugs. Among of the 7 million of the drug user in the Pakistan, in which the 7 millions are the cannabis user, and around 2.5 or 2.5 are the opioid users, and half of these 7 millions are the drug addicted. They are falling in the addiction form. And according to the UNODC report in 2013, 250,000 people of the drugs related complications people are annually die due to the drug users. So it means the 700 people of the drugs related complication people are die per day. So for the public health expert or for the policy maker, this data or informations is very crucial, and it is a very challenging issue for the public health experts. For the public health expert, for the policy maker, to address this issue, the first one, we should be control on these drugs trafficking, as and all over the world, from before the 2000, from 1940 to 2000, from the 2000 to 4000, it was the universal international market demand of the cocaine or the heroin. After 2000, it has become a double or triple. Now in the 2022, around 8,000 ton are the international market of the illegal drugs of the heroin or cocaine, in which 75% the market benchmark has been covered by our neighboring country Afghanistan or from our FATA area. So according to the survey or the data, roughly around 1 million people are involved in the drugs trafficking business in the international market. So according to the survey of the UNODC, that around the $56 billion is the annual income is coming from these under the carpet way of the business. So it is a very crucial and alarming data for the public health experts to how to address this issue, which is putting a lot of the burden and the health, putting in the health or in the human populations, not only the globally but also in the Pakistan as well. For such type of the informative lecture, remain in touch with the HPH channel. It will increase your knowledge and information about the public health issues. Press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get new lecture as soon as I upload my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.